What makes a book great? Number 1 on Amazon? Top 4% on Amazon for over a year? Helps you make money? Impacts people in a positive way and gives them the tools to make it happen. But what makes a really great book? All of the above.
Hi, Tracy Repchik here from MillionaireMarketingMiracles.com, and I'm going to talk to you today about rapid product creation in 5 easy steps. Because creating a product, believe it or not, is the easy part. Once you have researched your niche, combined your passion with your skills, or recognized a market ripe for profit, selecting your product type is all that's left. And simply, that's whatever you wish to start with. At this point, if you are petrified in the thought and the horror of creating your own product, then there are a couple of things you can do to get a really big jump start. Now, ultimately, you want your own product, but here are some quickie ways to get a jump start. The first is you can become an affiliate to somebody else's product. This is where you sell their stuff. Now, the caveats here about becoming an affiliate are, first off, you do need to know how to generate traffic. Otherwise, it's going to be very hard to send people to that particular offer. And the second caveat is that if you don't know how to drive traffic to that, then you're going to need to know how to do AdWords, which is an ad with Google that sends them to the offer, because it kind of magically just doesn't happen that people start to show up to something that you're promoting. Even if you start a blog and promote it that way, then you just have to make sure that you have subscribers to that blog, or people are actually visiting it, and you have set up an RSS feed to where that gets notified and updated frequently. But becoming an affiliate and starting that way is, that can be done in under 5 minutes. The second thing you can do is, let's say you want to write an ebook, but you just don't have the time right now. Then you can hire a ghostwriter to do that. You can use the ghostwriter in 2 ways. You can actually use them to completely write the book for you. You just give them a topic and perhaps 7 chapter outlines that you want them to follow. Or the other way is you can talk like I am right now into a microphone and then send that to guru.com or elance.com and have them transcribe it for you, clean it up a little bit if you want, and then convert that to a PDF or a book format for you. And this will be a really fast way to get something into your hands at the very least. The third way to get a fast, easy product is to take a look at private label rights or master resale rights of products that are already created. You're going to run into a couple of things here though again. One is for the master resale rights, even though you get to keep 100% of the profits, unlike becoming an affiliate to someone, whatever you're provided with from a sales page perspective, chances are it will need to be modified. And you are going to have to get that updated somehow so that it is effective. What they've given you literally could be old and no longer search engine optimized. So that's something you're going to have to consider. For private label rights, what's really great about that is you get to modify the content now to be in your own voice, to be organized the way you like, to be laid out the way you like. That will take a little bit of time, but certainly not half of the amount of time it would take to actually put that together from scratch. And then we're back to the same thing though. If you're brand new to internet marketing, you're going to need to know how to modify the sales page that you will likely be provided with so that it is optimized, and you're going to have to get traffic to that. And of course, in front of any niche that you're getting involved with, whether you're becoming an affiliate or whether you're selling master resale rights or whether you're selling your own product, you want to get a landing page in front of this so that you can ensure that you will be list building for anything that you release in the future. The fourth method, and the one I really like because it is incredibly simple, and that is to do an interview product or create a product either like this, an audio product, or you can conduct a teleseminar and you can do a product that way by just talking about something that you know, inviting a few people to it, and then 60 minutes later you've got yourself a product. And then you can go through the same cycle as you did for an ebook. You can actually send that audio off. You can have it converted and transcribed if you want to add a book to that. Just another simple way of doing it. And even better, you can actually interview somebody. If you have no idea what you want to say, find somebody, interview them, and then you've got a product between the two of you, which is really cool. And they get a copy, you get a copy, whichever way you work it out. There are multiple methods you can use. Most people will do it for free, though. If you go to a place like blogtalkradio.com, you can either set up your own radio show and invite somebody and interview them that way, or you can find people to interview at that particular site as well. And then the fifth method you can do is if you go and get expired public domain material. So you go to Gutenberg, Gutenberg.org, you can download expired copyrights. If you think about books such as Think and Grow Rich and The Science of Getting Rich, these have become million-dollar businesses for people. And all of those were free, and they came from public domain. People added their names to it, they modified it a bit, they interspersed a few of their tidbits. It was unbelievable how easy it is to get powerful text and integrate and leverage actually off of the title, leverage off of whoever originally created the book, and of course be able to utilize it and resell it yourself. So keep your product creation thoughts open to how you can build and integrate for a full product range. And then depending on your sales skills, you can also cut out any number of the market funnel stages and sell the premium package directly. My only advice on rushing from an intro to a premium product is the learning skills needed by your purchaser to perform the task and the steep learning curve that may be involved to go from like a $27 ebook to a $10,000 coaching package, that kind of leap. So sometimes they need a little bit of a hand-holdy step in between, but it all depends on your marketing and your expertise on convincing them. So remember, these were just quickie little methods for fast products. In future audios, we're going to be talking specifically and addressing details on how to create an ebook, how to be a coach, how to create an audio product, and how to create a membership site. These are all going to get detailed. But that was just a quickie fast way to get started in, and literally under an hour. I mean, technically it'll probably take you a day to put the whole thing together, but these are really fast ways to jumpstart. So have a great and wonderful time creating and selecting your quickie product, whether it be for resale or whether you're going to simply give it away as a freebie, but it's a great way to get started in internet marketing.